Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to go live on Facebook Lite. To go live on Facebook Lite, first open your Facebook Lite application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account on your Facebook Lite. With that, here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on What's on Your Mind option on the top. Then on the down here you can see the option of go live at last. Tap on go live. With that, now here you can see your live option. You can enter any caption to your live by clicking on say something about this. Then you can enter any caption on your live as you want. With that, now here you can tap on see more options, and then you can add your feeling or activity, location, or you can report an issue if you have one. With that, tap on go live option on down. After that, your live video will be started. Now here you'll be able to stream your video on your Facebook Lite. You can also rotate your camera by tapping on the camera icon on down. You can add comment by tapping on the comment icon on the down. You can write your comment and tap on the plane icon. With that, your comment will be added to your live. Similarly, you can also share your live. To do that, tap on share icon on the down. With that, you can invite your friends to watch your live. After you want to stop the live video, you can tap on finish option. Similarly, if you don't want your live video to be posted on your timeline, you can tap on delete, or if you want, then you can tap on finish. With that, you will be able to add your live video on your timeline. This is how we can go live on Facebook Lite. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.